This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time. The room seemed too familiar. You sit on the couch, knees pulled to your chest, phone in your hand even though you're not really scrolling. You're waiting. You always are. The door opens softly. Jungkook walks in. Shoulders heavy, eyes tired. He drops his bag near the door like he has done 1,000 times before. You looked up immediately. Why? You're late again. Your voice isn't angry. It never is. What's that scares you the most? Jungkook. Yeah, work ran longer than I expected. He doesn't meet your eyes. You notice that. You notice everything these days. You stand up and walk toward him. Why? Did you eat? Jungkook pauses. He nods. Jungkook. On the way. You smile small and automatic. You. Okay. Silence stretches between you. It used to be comfortable. Now it feels like something missing. But you can't name what. You move closer, gently fixing the collar of his jacket. Why? You look tired. Jungkook swallows. Jungkook, I am. You want to say more, you want to ask why he feels so far, even when he is right here, but you don't. You never want to pressure him. You should rest then. I'll make tea. As you turn towards the kitchen, Jungkook watches you. There's something in his eyes. Guilt before the crime, fear before the fall. Jungkook, Ryan, you stop and turn back. He opens his mouth, then closes it again. Jungkook, nothing, just thank you. You smile again, softer this time. For what? Jungkook, for being patient with me. The word hit you in a strange way. Ryan, you don't need to be time with me for that. We are a team, remember. You say it lightly, like it's obvious, like it hasn't started to feel one-sided. Later that night, you lie beside him in bed. His back is turned towards you. It did not used to be like this. He used to pull you close without even thinking. You whisper into that. Cookie, did I do something wrong? His defense. Jungkook, what? No, why would you think like that? Ryan, you have been distant lately. There's a long pause. Jungkook, I'm just stressed. Please don't overthink. You nod even though he can't see it. Okay, I'm sorry. Jungkook turns around then, guilt flickering across his face. Jungkook, don't say sorry, it's not you, it's me. You reach for his hand, he lets you hold it, but he doesn't squeeze back. You close your eyes, convincing yourself this phase will pass. But Jungkook stays awake long after you fall asleep, staring at the ceiling, thinking about how he is already failing the girl who loves him the most, and somewhere deep inside him a crack forms. It begins on an ordinary night. Jungkook is alone in the studio, lights dim low, music pause. Halfway through a track, he can't seem to finish. His phone buzzes once on a table. He ignores this. Then it buzzes again. Annoyed, he reaches for it. Already expecting work, already tired of everything demanding something from him. And then he sees her name. For a moment, he just stares. It feels like opening the door he swore that he had locked years ago. His chest tightens, not with love, not with excitement, but with a strange familiarity that scares him more than the attraction ever could. He tells himself it's harmless. People from the past shows up sometimes. That's normal. He doesn't reply. At least, not yet. When he gets home, you are sitting on the floor of the living room folding laundry while a soft drama plays in the background. You looked up immediately when the door opens. You always do. Hey, you back? There's warmth in your voice. No suspension, no tension, just relief. Jungkook comes softly in response, kicking off his shoes. He watches you for a moment longer than usual. The way your hair falls onto your face, the way you concentrate on something as simple as folding clothes, like it actually matters. You matter. That alone thought makes his chest ache. Ryan, how was work today? Jungkook, exhausting. You smile sympathetically. You, come sit. I made your favorite tea. You don't ask, you never ask why he's tired. You just try to remember it easier. He sits beside you, accepts the cup, finger brushing yours briefly. The contact feels grounding and heavy. Jungkook, Ryan, can I ask you something? You tilt your head, giving him your full attention. Ryan, of course. Jungkook hesitates. Words stuck behind guilt he hasn't earned yet. Jungkook, if someone from my past reached out to me, would that bother you? You blink, surprised, but there's no panic in your eyes. You, depends. Are they trying to come back? He shakes his head quickly. Jungkook, no, nothing like that. You think for a moment, then shut softly. Ryan, then it doesn't matter. I trust you. You say it so easily, that's what hurts him.
इन्नू की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए साथ तू। इन्नू की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए साथ तू। हाय दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां, सूरज वर्गा निक तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी चानण वर्गा मुख तेरा। सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां, सूरज वर्गा निक तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी चानण वर्गा मुख तेरा। है पहाड़ा दी ठंडी हवा तू, मैं हारा ही यारा मेरा तू। हाय दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना सजना जीण दी वजह तू। दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। जल रहा हूँ अब बुझ जाने को दिल करता है, तेरी जुल्फों में उलझ जाने को दिल करता है। दिल करता है तुझे कर लूँ मैं करीब इतना, कि तेरी सांसों में अब घुल जाने को दिल करता है। दिल दे विच दे दे थोड़ी जी थां तू, ना दे पिछे ला ले मेरा ना तू। हाय दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। तेरी मुस्कुराहट ताकत मेरी, मुझे कोई भी से उम्मीद नहीं, चाहे करे कोई सितम ये जहां, मेरी है सदा हिफाजत मेरी, जिंदगानी बड़ी खूबसूरत हुई, जन्नत अब और क्या होगी कहीं, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है। तेरी धड़कनों से है जिंदगी मेरी, ख्वाहिशें तेरी अब दुआएं मेरी, कितना अनोखा बंधन है ये, तेरी मेरी जान जो एक होगी, लौटूंगा यहाँ तेरे पास, वादा है मेरा मर भी जाऊं कहीं, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है। तो खुदा से मांग लूं मोहब्बत में एक नई, रहना है बस यहाँ, अब दूर तुझसे जाना नहीं, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है। दुआओं में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का, जुबां पे स्वाद रखना। कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी, ना धूप में ना छाँव, कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी, किसी ठोर टिके ना पाँव। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ चन्ना मेरे।